blind mice, three blind mice. See how they run, see how they run. They all ran after the farmer's wife, who cut off their tails with a carving knife. Did you ever see such a thing in your life as three blind mice? Three blind mice, three blind mice. See how they run, see how they run. They all ran after the farmer's wife, who cut off their tails with a carving knife. Did you ever see such a thing in your life as three blind mice? Three blind mice, three blind mice. See how they run, see how they run. They all ran after the farmer's wife, who cut off their tails with a carving knife. Did you ever see such a thing in your life as three blind mice? Three blind mice, three blind mice. See how they run, see how they run. They all ran after the farmer's wife, who cut off their tails with a carving knife. Did you ever see such a thing in your life as three blind mice?
Hi, kids! From A to Z.
From east to west.
I'm Noah.
And I'm Olivia.
Welcome back to Dream Again! Your excitement to our sing-along songs is always very, very high.
Yeah, I really like singing along. I like songs and melodies, and
I'm
even
impressed.
though I'm not the best singer, I really like to do it.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's pretty cool. I love singing too.
Yeah, you seem to really like.
We have a really cool song today!
Whoa, what is our song? You're very excited.
I am!
Whoa. Kids,
It's going to be fun! You should sing it
Noah's
with me! Are you ready?
Noah's kind of freaking me out, guys.
I'm excited!
I'm a little bit nervous.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Okay.
Yeah!
Ah! Ooh. No. I'm gonna stay over here.
No, come
Is
on.
it like a surprise song? Like maybe it's like.
We are singing
Mhm.
three
Mhm.
blind
Mhm.
mice!
Where? Is there? No. Hey.
Kids, what you don't know is Olivia's afraid of mice!
I'm not afraid of mice. That's silly. I'm afraid of blind mice.
Mouse!
Ah!
He.
I'm only afraid of blind mice.
There's one!
I don't even have my shoes on. What if they get me?
Yep.
I seem to remember you being afraid of something before.
No, we're not gonna sing that song again.
No, maybe you'll sing.
Today we're gonna sing Three Blind Mice!
No. I will make up the new song. It'll be Three Blind Lice. Yeah.
No, you can't do that.
Three blind lice.
No.
Three blind lice.
No.
They got on the dog. The dog ran around chasing his tail. Although I don't want to cut off his tail with a carving knife, so that gets complicated.
Yeah, that's not good. We don't do something like that.
No.
So we're gonna sing Three Blind Mice.
I don't know. Are they scary mice?
No, they're not scary.
How do you know? Have you met
mice
them?
are very, very nice pet.
Are you like friends with these mice?
Yeah,
Or
they're my friends. They're my best
Yeah?
friends.
They're best friends.
Three blind mice, three blind mice. See how they run, see how they run. They all run after a farmer's wife who cut off their tails with a carving knife. Did you ever see such a thing in your life as three blind mice?
Woo! most of it. Just only has certain lines I can't do.
Which ones?
The ones about the I don't know if I can say it.
Mice? 3 blind mice. But the word's not going to hurt you, Olivia.
But
and a mouse won't hurt you either, and especially not 3 blind mice. You know, they're blind. They don't see anything.
Yeah, but
do you think a mouse that doesn't see anything is going to hurt you? It's not going to hurt you.
But that's part of what I'm afraid of, because if the mice could see me, they would know I'm bigger than them, and then they would run away. That's fine.
Yeah, and you know why they run away?
But if the mice is blind, the mice can't see me, and then the mice are going to come at me, because they don't even know I'm here.
Yeah, but a mouse...
And I smell good. I smell really good. I bet I smell better than cheese.
It's not going to eat you, though. A mouse won't eat you,
Okay.
and these 3 blind mice aren't going to eat you. They're actually really, really kind animals, and if you give them a little bit of cheese, you know, that's all they want. They're really, really, really delicate animals, and they're not mean. They will never eat you or bite you or do anything bad to you, and so that's why we have to treat them kindly.
Okay.
And especially not carve them. That's not good. You don't do that to animals.
Well, I mean, the song says it, though.
Yeah, I know. That's why I don't
I think
like
it's
the
supposed
song.
to be
I don't like the song after all. You know what? You just sing it on your own.
Well, I don't like this song clearly, so I guess we're... Wow, kids, I guess that's all for the sing-along. I guess we've decided instead of a sing-along, we're going to do not sing-along.
Well, but we can't do that. The kids want to learn a new song, and
Yeah.
that's the song for today.
Yeah, well,
So,
what are we going to do then?
I guess we'll just have to sing it, and the kids will learn it, and then they can choose if they like it or if they don't like it.
Yeah. But also, you can also just know that the cutting off the tail with the carving knife, that's just for the song. That's not real.
Exactly.
No one
That's what
does
I've been
that.
trying to tell you, though, the whole time.
No, you were trying to tell me that mice are not scary.
Mice aren't scary.
Well, we'll just have to see, won't we?
Yep.
Okay. Can you pet them?
You can pet them.
Oh.
They're very nice.
Hmm.
You know,
Okay.
and then you can give them a small piece of cheese, and they'll be like, yay!
I would like a little mouse to scream yay, though. Like a little mouse, it's like in a little mouse voice, it's like...
Yeah, exactly.
Give me some cheese. Give me some cheese. Oh, that'd be fun.
Yep.
Okay, I'll sing it, but
But,
if a mouse attacks me, I am totally blaming you, okay?
you know,
What do you mean,
can't
no?
do that.
Well, what if you think there's no way that a mouse could attack me, then why can't I blame you if one does?
Because a mouse won't attack you.
Well, see,
and
then-
if it does attack you, then you should just
See,
run away.
but if it won't
You should
attack
just
me, then
run
you'll
away.
be fine.
You should just run away.
Kids, I see a flaw in his thinking. If he was certain the mice wouldn't attack me, he would not be worried if I would blame him if they did.
It won't attack you.
All right, we're gonna sing this song, but I'm doing it under protest. Okay. Ready?
Kids,
Yeah. Mhm.
Olivia is weird. Let's just sing it.
Okay, let's just sing the song.
Okay.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. 3 blind mice, 3 blind mice. See how they run, see how they run. They all ran after the farmer's wife who cut off their tails with a carving knife. Did you ever see such a thing in your life as 3 blind mice?
3 blind mice.
3 blind mice. See how they run, see how they run. They all ran after the farmer's wife who cut off their tails with a carving knife. Did you ever see such a thing in your life as 3 blind mice? 3 blind mice. 3 blind mice. See how they run, see how they run. They all ran after the farmer's wife who cut off their tails with a carving knife. Did you ever see such a thing in your life as 3 blind mice?
3 blind mice.
3 blind mice.
Wow.
Wow.
See, it's a good song, isn't it?
Yeah, it is a very, very good song.
I mean, it's a short song, but it has a nice melody to it.
Yeah, it does. I like it.
Yeah.
3 blind lice. 3 blind lice. See how they run. See how they...
Kids, I think that's it for today's sing-along song. Watch our newest version
Yeah.
of it, which you can sing along to. In the meantime, I'm going to see if Olivia has any lice in her hair.
What? I don't have lice in my hair. All right, guys, have fun singing the song. I hope you enjoy the 3 blind.
There's a mice!
Ah! Mice! Guys.
Bye, kids! See you next time! Bye!
Bye! See you guys next time!
3 blind mice, 3 blind mice. See how they run, see how they run. They all ran after the farmer's wife, who cut off their tails with a carving knife. Did you ever see such a thing in your life as 3 blind mice? Three blind mice, 3 blind mice. See how they run, see how they run. They all ran after the farmer's wife, who cut off their tails with a carving knife. Did you ever see such a thing in your life as 3 blind mice? Three blind mice, 3 blind mice. See how they run, see how they run. They all ran after the farmer's wife, who cut off their tails with a carving knife. Did you ever see such a thing in your life as 3 blind mice? Three blind mice, 3 blind mice. See how they run, see how they run. They all ran after the farmer's wife, who cut off their tails with a carving knife. Did you ever see such a thing in your life as 3 blind mice?
Hi there! If you like what you see on Dream Again, please make sure to hit the subscribe button, like us, and comment down below. Thanks!